For trim at the top of a wall, where a wall meets a soffit, Everlast 2-piece perimeter trim is an easy and time-efficient solution. Using the nailing slots, tightly fasten the trim receiver along the top of the wall every 12 inches. Measure and cut your last course of Everlast lap siding so there is a 1/4 inch gap between the top of the receiver and the top of the siding. Next, to maintain proper projection of the top plank from the wall, install a pressure-treated wood furring strip beneath the trim receiver. To maintain consistent projection from the wall, the thickness of the furring will depend upon the amount trimmed off the final plank. Install the top course of siding and install seam brackets as required. Next, install fasteners every 16 inches along the top edge of the siding plank, allowing the head of the fastener to hold the siding in place, but without restricting lateral plank movement that's required to accommodate lateral thermal expansion. So be sure to fasten loosely, maintaining a 1/32 inch gap between the head of the fastener and the panel face. Snap the trim cover firmly into the receiver. When installing Everlast board and batten, follow the same procedures, allowing for a 1/4 inch gap between the top of the receiver and the top of the siding. However, no additional panel fastening is required with board and batten siding.